Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to check the transistor, whether this transistor is NPN or PNP. So you have to know that the NPN transistor, the symbolic representation of NPN transistor is this. This is the collector side, this is the emitter side, and this is the base terminal. The arrow points outwardly, so this shows it is the NPN transistor. So how to identify the PNP transistor by symbolical representation? So this is the PNP transistor. How you know that? This is the collector side, this is the emitter side, and the center one is always the base terminal. And this arrow inwardly indicates that it is the PNP transistor. Okay, so in PNP transistor the base is always negative N, and the collector is positive, and the emitter terminal is also positive. In NPN transistor, the collector terminal is always N or negative. The base terminal is always the P and positive, and this emitter terminal is always negative. So this is very authentic information regarding our practical implementation. So this is 2M390 transistor. I'm going to test it is NPN or PNP. So first step is we have to take multimeter. This multimeter, this has two leads, positive and negative. So you have a first step you have to do is rotate counterclockwise. The knob you have to rotate it counterclockwise and towards the diode testing mode. This is actually diode testing mode. Now for the checking of PNP transistor, what you have to do, you have to put this negative lead at the center of the base and touch the positive terminal with any of the terminal of the transistor. Firstly, I just touch this side of the transistor. It gives nothing, it gives no reading, and then I'm going to check this. It also gives no reading. Now I'm going to check whether it is NPN or not. So for NPN transistor, I have to put or touch my positive lead towards the base of the transistor and touch the right side of the transistor. As you see that this right side terminal gives the 822 value. So write it down. Right side give 822 value. Okay, now I'm going to insert this positive lead to the base of the transistor, and now check the left terminal of the transistor. So as you see, this left terminal of the transistor gives us a 816 value. Write it down. So left side gives the 816 value. So what is the meaning of these two values? Actually, you know that emitter current is equal to IB plus IC, and emitter current is greater than IC. So the greater value 822 indicate that this terminal is the emitter terminal, and this 816 terminal is the collector terminal. Okay, and the positive lead which is connected to the base, which is fixed to the base, it indicates that actually the base terminal is positive, and as you earlier shown in my video that I just touched negatively to the terminal of emitter and collector, and it gives the information that emitter is negative and collector is also negative. So this information indicates that this is the NPN transistor, and the right side is emitter the left side is collector, and the center one is the base. Simple. That means this side is emitter, the center one is the base, and this side is the collector one. This is all about how to check the transistor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share it. Thank you very much.